Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove a participant in your Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a participant in a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably doing a lot of sales calls through Zoom or maybe even team meetings. And sometimes you're going to have somebody who's really disruptive, so it's better to go ahead and remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a live Zoom call, as you can see here. Now, if you want to remove a participant down here on the left bottom, you're going to see the little icon with two people. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see all the participants you have inside of your Zoom call. And in order to remove a participant, just hover over their name. Once you do that, off to the right, you're going to click on the blue More button. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on the Remove button. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to remove this person? Once they're removed, they will not be able to join the meeting again. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Remove. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove a participant in a live Zoom meeting call, that's the way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.